'cause I'm fine with it. 'Cause you know I'm running it.
Jam, sorry, wala pang 50 ml. 10 ml lang available. Thank you sa mga nag-check pa ng basket natin. Paki-check out na yan. Before checking out, leave a message to the seller if you want a signature from us. Salamat din, Jonah. Mukhang DV fan ka. Check out mo na yung mga perfumes nila para kaamoy mo na sila lagi. Feeling mo close lang sila sa'yo.
Crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at the spot, baby, tell me are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony, like da-do. If you like it, think twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice.
Hello sa mga bagong pasok, guys. Before checking out, leave a message to the seller. Merong option na ganyan bago ka mag-check out. Gawin mo yan para makita ng mga packers namin na gusto mo ng signature. Maglalagay sila ng card sa order mo with our signature.
If you like it, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me.
Thank you sa mga nag-check po ng basket natin. Go, go, go! Check out na kayo. Ipapaship na yan bukas. Mabilis yung mga shipment ngayon. In fairness kay JNT. Babat ka.
Maybe he's just looking at me. I just got a new guy, he's getting me flight. Richer than my ex, had this card on decline. I just wanna buy all the finer things in life. More and I got that crazy mind. I'm suffering all just by myself, but I don't need another artist for some help. No, speaking Spanish and English as well. Filipina if you couldn't fucking tell. Kakagising ko lang.
I-charge mo yan. I-charge mo yan. Wala pa kasi available na ano.
Nakagising ko lang mula sa
pagkabigay. Kailangan lang ano na
pero matay naninikip. Alawas na usok titip ay naninikip.
Dapat pala i-charge na ngayon kasi 2 hours yun yung charge.
I'm getting so confident. Hindi na ako makatayo kahit hindi na
Extension. Hindi na sila. Nandun, ginagamit. Pwede hindi na. Tapos na sila kung gumawa eh. Pwede na tanggalin yung extension dyan. Ha? Sige, mahal. Hindi, nandito si Kuya. Ang ganda lang music mo. Hello, Heather. Thank you so much. Welcome. Welcome po sa live natin. Uy. May lumilipad na something. Pa-like naman ng live, guys. Okay. Go, go, go! Wait lang po Delivery. Nuknukan ng kasosyalan ang perfume na delivery. Long lasting, kaya tumagal hanggang bukas. Sa fabric, napakatindi ng kapit nito. Very nice yung quality ng perfume. Check ba sa kwarto ni Mama, Kuya? Sweet disposition, my wide-eyed gaze. We're singing in the car, getting lost up the stage. is falling down.